Hey peeps, welcome back to my channel. My name is Drusilla Shay, if you don't know already. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about what to wear on a tropical vacation. First thing is first, if you're going to be going on a tropical vacation, the top priority is getting a suitcase that is big enough to fit me in it. I'm trying to get flued out too. In all seriousness, if you are going on a tropical vacation and you're looking for ideas on what to wear, whether you are going to be shopping for things or whether you are working with what's in your closet, hopefully these tips will help. Let's get into it. So here is just a rule of thumb when it comes to tropical vacations. It's nice and breezy, it's nice and warm, it can be very humid. You just want to make sure that you are staying comfortable. You're not wearing anything that's overly constricting and that will make you even hotter. And you definitely want to pack things that are more lightweight and airy because you're on vacation, okay? You want to be comfortable. Now let's get into some daytime looks. A lot of the times you're probably going to be going to the pool, you're going to be going to the beach, which means that you're going to be wearing bathing suits a lot, but you probably are going to be wearing a cover up. And especially if you're on a resort, a lot of resorts do require you to wear some sort of cover up if you're going to an establishment like a restaurant, a gift shop, or whatever. So you definitely have to have some cover-ups on hand. And in general, even when you get out of the water, sometimes it just feels a little bit breezy. You want to just wear something a little bit light. So one of the first things that is super popular when it comes to island vacations is crochet cover-ups. It definitely has a lot of holes that can let air through. These are the things that you want to pack with you so that you don't get even more hot. It can be a crochet top, it can be a crochet dress, something that will help cover you up whenever you get out of the pool or beach or beforehand. Something else that is super duper popular is mesh. You can definitely get away with mesh when you're on an island because, like I said, you're going to be wearing bathing suits most of the time. So you just need like something lightweight to cover you up. Mesh is great because it also dries very fast. When you are coming in and out of water, your bathing suit is wet, your body is wet, mesh is great to still have on hand because even if that gets wet, it doesn't take a long time for it to dry. It can also give you that nice little bougie auntie look depending on which mesh piece you pack. I love wearing a lot of like mesh kimonos. Something like that is also really perfect for an island vacation. As I mentioned, I love me a good kimono, and that's actually the next thing that I recommend. It brings a nice classiness to your look. It's giving rich aesthetic, but also a lot of kimonos come open, but some kimonos, they come with like a little belt, so it also allows you to be more versatile with your look. So if you're having like a daytime look and maybe you don't want to show much, you can always wear a kimono, add a belt, okay, and it's gonna come off more of like a dress or a cardigan depending on the length of your kimono. And then when you get to the beach or the pool, you can still wear your kimono but open, or you can fully take it off. So I just feel like you can be way more versatile when it comes to kimono specifically. Okay, so last but not least, when it comes to cover-ups, what I would recommend that is always so easy to pull off, and it's something that a lot of us already have in our closets, is oversized collared shirts. Brings that nice little boyfriend vibe. If you have a bathing suit and then you throw on like an oversized collared shirt, it's an automatic cover up. If you don't have the kimonos, you don't have the mesh things, you don't have the crochet things, that's fine. If you got your hubby's collared shirts, throw them on. Listen, wives, take advantage of your husband's closets, okay? Like, there be gems in there. I'm just saying. But if you don't have one on hand, that one should be super easy to shop for. Okay, now we are going to move on to looks that are appropriate for both daytime and nighttime. One of my favorite things on an island is a good old maxi dress. It's really great when you have like a loose maxi dress on an island because, again, the breeze, honey, is hitting you. It just looks so tropical. But most importantly, you don't want to have something that's constricting and then you start getting more hot. There's just so many different styles of maxi dresses now. It's something that you can rock with like sandals or flats or slippers in the daytime, and then at night, if you want to dress it up, okay, you can bring a little block heel to the situation. You can put on makeup and accessories. It's definitely going to bring a more dressy look to the whole outfit. All right, ladies, so I'm about to put y'all onto a gem. Something that you definitely want to pack at least one of is a matching set. Matching sets are genius because one, you have an automatic outfit, okay? When it's a set, you really don't have to do any work because you have a set that already matches. But if you want to get a little creative, you can also pair your sets with other pieces separately. So if I have like a silky matching set, it's like a tank and it comes with a skirt. I can always wear the set to dinner, rock it with some heels, boom, boom, boom. Then a couple days later, given that we clean the shirt, okay, I can wear that same tank kind of shirt and this time style it with some shorts. When you get creative, you can definitely make the pieces look very different. You can bring a dressy vibe to it, you can bring a casual vibe to it, and it can actually save space in your luggage because you don't have to be packing extra things. Instead, you're re-wearing those things and just styling it differently. All right, y'all, so something that is also a daytime and a nighttime look is a flowy jumpsuit. It can look so classy. It's an automatic outfit, okay? You really don't have to do the hard work. All you have to do is accessorize. Jumpsuits can be a daytime look and they can also definitely be a nighttime look. Just throw on some heels or sandals. But if you accessorize and you put on a face of makeup, you do your hair all nice, it definitely makes it look way, way more dressy. Now, in the same arena, rompers are great for island vacations. Very, very versatile. The great thing about rompers is it is so easy to take on and off. Of course, it is a little bit inconvenient if you are using the bathroom, but it's super convenient if you're going to like the pool or the beach with it, and it acts as a cover-up because it's just one piece. You don't have to worry about having a top, a bottom. You put it on, you take it off. It's very quick. Step your romper game up, ladies. All right, so last but not least, something that pretty much never fails is a crop top and high-waist shorts or pants combo. You can make it casual, you can make it dressy. If you are going to do the high-waist pants, I recommend pants that are super duper lightweight because you don't want to be hot. And in the same breath, I would recommend high-waist pants that are loose because wearing something that is tight, restricting, and high-waist, definitely not a good look in a very warm environment. So something that's very loose and wide leg is perfect because the air is going to be flowing, you don't feel constricted, hence you don't get hotter. Okay, so now that we've talked clothing items, let's talk accessories. When it comes to being on an island, there's sun, but sometimes that sun be making you real hot, okay? And it be messing up your skincare. Pack you a nice wide brim hat. Those really big wide brim hats that are like fancy and they kind of cover your face. Just give it a second thought. I used to have one of those, but it's actually not really practical unless you're just using it to take pictures. But otherwise, it's not practical because it's always in your face. If that's what you want, baby girl, go for it. Otherwise, it's kind of like you're always like moving it up or holding it up in order to see. And after a while, it's not cute. You want to try to get something that's actually functional and cute. Now, in the same token, sunglasses are always a must-have when it comes to vacations. Not only does it add to the look, but it's functional. There's just so much sun and we love it, but we're not trying to be blinded out in these streets. Okay? So when it comes to going on vacation, especially on an island, I really don't like to have too much on. So I pack really, really light jewelry. You can't go wrong with lightweight jewelry. With heavy, bulky, really statement pieces, yes, you can go wrong. It really depends on your personal style. But if you really want to err on the side of caution and you want to take things with you that will go with pretty much all outfits, lightweight, dainty jewelry always works. I'm talking like thin chains with little pendants on them. A good pair of hoops will always do you good. But you can also take some studs with you if you just want a simple look, and you can have like a nice little lightweight bracelet for when you're going out, when you want to dress up a little bit more. All right, now we gotta talk about the shoes. If you're not someone who just naturally always walks in heels, you don't gotta do it to yourself. Sandals are always a good thing to pack on a vacation because you're gonna be definitely wearing it in the day. You can also wear it in the night, and you just want to make sure that you're wearing something that gives you good support. If you're going to be walking around a lot, let's say on a resort, pack sandals that aren't going to be uncomfortable. Just make sure that you test that out beforehand because then you're going to end up at the gift shop getting you some new slippers. If you do want to get a little bit dressy and wear a heel, I always recommend a block heel. It's not only dressy, but it's comfortable. It gives you the support that you need. You can also do a low chunky heel. It doesn't have to be high, and it still brings that dressy look. And last but not least, when it comes to accessories, let's talk bags. There are different kinds of beach bags. I am aware that there are some that are bulky and kind of stiff. That's really up to you if you want to pack that or not. It really depends on the size of your suitcase and how much space you're trying to save. But there are also a lot of beach bags out there that are very flexible and you can like fold them up. That's something that I would probably recommend. But having a beach bag is really helpful because you're going to be carrying things with you such as sunscreen, your sunglasses case, your phone, little towel. It's good to have you a good old beach bag. Now, some resorts do offer that for free. Like while you're staying there, you can use their beach bag and then just keep it in the room when you're checking out, but some don't. If you feel like you are not going to be carrying that much with you in the day, you can also get you a nice small little bag. Really think about the things that you're going to be carrying from day to day and then make the decision from there. The same thing goes for a nighttime bag. If you're going to be dressing up, obviously you want to bring a bag that matches your aesthetic. I usually bring some sort of neutral tone purse that goes with a lot of my outfits so that I don't have to pack too many purses. So that is it for accessories, and I just have one little tiny thing to throw in about fabrics. The last thing I want to talk about is fabrics. Things that usually always work when it comes to island vacations is, again, crochet, mesh or sheer, and things like silks and linens. Linens tend to be very lightweight, which we love. It dries easily and it tends to be very airy. That is it for this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comments what kinds of things you like to pack on your vacation, and also let me know what kinds of islands and tropical places would you guys want to visit. I appreciate you all for tuning in. If you haven't already joined the family, you know what you gotta do. Please go ahead and press that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on that bell notification button so that anytime I post, you will be up to date. God bless you, and I'll see you guys in my next video next Sunday. Deuces.